Hey, it's Maria Guild, and I'm sitting here at my office. I'm a local real estate agent here in Maricopa, Arizona. But a few videos ago, I posted this fun video where I was going into the thrift store to see with some change. I gathered all the change I had in my house, and I was gonna go see if I could find anything to resell or flip on eBay, because that's sort of a little side business that I just started. And I wanted to try and have one other stream of income coming in during months when real estate is a little bit slow. So I thought I'd do a little update video and kind of show you guys so far what I've sold and how much money I've made since I've had my little eBay reselling business, which isn't a super, like, I mean, it's very sideline. I don't know if you're a full-time eBay reseller. That's hard because I feel like a lot of items sit for a really long time, and I'm like checking every day. I'm like, did I make a sale? And then most of the time, no, I didn't. It's just sitting there. So luckily, I haven't spent a lot of money on it. I don't recommend going and sourcing for a bunch of stuff because you don't know if an item's gonna sell or sit. It's really trial and error. So I've really tried to do a lot of stuff that's just from my house. But here is sort of what I've sold so far. All right, so here you can see, I don't know if you can see, but my total sales so far have been $348. Yay! And like I said, I don't even have like a storefront or anything like that. It's just my personal eBay account. And you do have the option just to sell stuff directly from your personal eBay account. So I thought I was gonna try it and see how it goes. It's very trial and error, but that's what I've made so far. And I actually just sold an item today, and it was a pair of Ariat jeans. And I did get what I was asking for, which was $30 and something and some cents. Let me see if I can pull it up. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, right here. That was my latest sale. And then last week I sold two other things as well. One of them was like a Canon camera that was my own personal. It wasn't a camera. It's just one of these devices where you can print directly from your phone. You can digitally print out your photos. So I was able to sell that on eBay, and that sold. And I believe a little like toy item that I had laying around the house, and I will put the images here. Anyways, that's my little update. Hopefully I can sell more items on eBay. Hopefully I can sell more houses, and I just wanted to give you guys that update since a lot of people thought it was a cool video and they found it interesting. All right, have a great day. Bye.